All right. Uh, so hello, thank you for joining us for today's agenda. Actually, there are no much updates, except that's for the week 15. We do not plan the test for the Siemens GS modules. This test will be consolidated uh, together with the Webpack module. Uh, so as for the current week, you're expected to pass the JS modules assignment just to learn the given materials. Since it's will be checked during the test on the week 16 and continue English for Kids task. Uh, well, in case if you have some questions regarding the task requirements, or if you experience some technical difficulties, please address your questions to mentors or ready to help. In case, just to remind you, in case if you still do not have the mentor assigned or you do not have possibility to contact him, so please let us know as soon as possible. If there are no any other updates from the rest of coordinators, I would like to pass over to questions. So is it everything clear in English for Kids? Okay, so please go ahead. I see the raised hand.
Hello. About your question, English for kids, it's a difficult task, but the tutorial materials make many things clear. So
Mhm.
that is upon us to implement and to meet the requirements, I believe. I have a question about the task week 12, like inheritance task.
Okay.
You said that we mentors have a 2 weeks deadline to check this assignment. I'm okay with this task. I'm not asking for myself. I'm asking for others' behalf. Uh, uh, what happens if mentor was not able to check the assignment in these 2 weeks? What if he mentor is
Let's
late?
see. Yeah, so thank you for question. Yeah, so regarding 2 weeks for check-in. So actually this is non written agreement with the mentors to have 2 weeks to check the task. This agreement was intended not to spend too much time for checking the task and give the chance for students not to make the same mistakes in other future tasks. In case if a mentor still didn't check the task, so you need to ping him once again. In case if you still haven't received any score for the task, so in this case all the unchecked tasks will be like all the mentors will be pinged once again to check all the tasks, all the assignments. So this is
So
under control.
So if mentor provides the score later, it would be okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Thank you very much for your answer. I'm done with the
Yeah,
questions.
so please, if you experience difficulties with obtaining your score with communication with mentors, please let us know. We can communicate in private and discuss your case. So again, is it everything clear about English for Kids? Yeah, I know that there are lots of materials available, but still maybe there are some unclear points for you, so we can refine it. Okay. Well, but pick up but it's very quickly today. So okay then. If there's no anything else to discuss, let's wrap up today's call. One, two, three. Okay, so nothing else. Thanks everyone. Good luck and have a good week.
Have a good week.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.